All right, welcome back. I guess we'll call this one build part 3 of number 4. This one we're going to, I guess we'll pull the tape off the elevators and glue in the battery bay floor. This piece of ABS here, all right? All right, so I talked about how I score for my knife. For the noises above us, there's some cleaning going on. So what I do is I just take the knife and I just gently score right at the edge of the tape, just to release the goop from the tape. Peel up carefully. There, you can see that just came up nice and cleanly there. See? Now you want to peel away from that line, just like that. See? Okay. Maybe I did that out of frame. I'll do the other one too. Two. And this one there. Right. Okay, so we got a. It's pretty tough. Now, some areas it might be thin, like it just might come off. I think this one up here might be a little bit thin and not attached very well. As long as it's mostly attached, it's fine. We're going to be using laminate to really lock that elevon on there. So I'm just going to score here. Cured goop is really tough stuff. Difficult to cut, sticks like hell, flexible. It's really great. All right. Now, I guess I got ahead of myself a little bit on this. Sometimes I sand the cores down first before attaching the elevons, and we'll do that probably in the next video. It's fine at this stage. We'll just be a little bit more careful when we're sanding down here, so that we don't sand into the elevons. You want to do that so that you get it nice and smooth for paint and laminate application. It sticks really well. The hot wire cut skin is what makes it so difficult to stick. All right, so moving on here, we'll prepare the floor for the battery bay. So that's simple. Just take my knife and I'm just going to cut right through the existing foam there. I'm going to cut that right out. Nice sharp blade makes easy work of this. I find that these blades can get dull pretty quick cutting EPP for whatever reason. Must be pretty abrasive stuff. Or the blades are just crap. Right? So that's what we're left with. This is a little hole. So I'm going to take this guy here. I'm going to use it as a pattern. So what I do to center it up, kind of offset it here like that. See that? Kind of make sure the front and the back are roughly even, and just make a mark where the edges are. Same thing at the other end. Make a mark, and then also the other direction too. So I'm gonna go like that. Mark, and a mark, and mark. Now, I'm going to cutting this freehand, so I just want to make a full line. Follow. Sorry for the noises. Okay, so again here you just want to control your depth of cut, right? So I just go just about as deep as a battery bay floor, make your cut. Again, doesn't need to be perfect. Now I extend it out a little bit more. I'm going to come in from the sides. Just want to kind of get in there. And if you can see the thickness of that, it's darn close to what the battery bay floor thickness is there. So this side. Yep. As long as it's close, we'll be fine. You're going to notice it in flight. Do test fit. Fits in there pretty good. And that it's pretty flush on the edges. I don't know if you can see that. So it's close. Close enough. Okay. So we take our goop. Okay. And we're just gonna go right along the edges here. A nice good application of it. Right, in there. Now, okay, and we're just going to press it in. Now, scraper, scrape the excess. I don't really care about the excess goop on the hatch there. No big deal. Okay. Now, I'm not going to tape that on because the tape will get stuck on there, the residue and stuff. So I usually just take pens, and just to hold the hatch on there. The goop is kind of pretty sticky even when it's wet, so it's going to tend to hold it on there. But now, just take a look on the inside. don't know if you can see a bunch of goop is in there too, so. An old propeller here. They make nice scrapers. So I'm just going to get in there and scrape away all the excess that's in there. A lot easier to do when it's wet like this. All right. It's on there pretty good right now. So goop cures pretty quick. Probably, I don't know, an hour or so. Be ready to work on. I think in the next video we'll cut in the servo pockets and get the horns attached and go from there. All right, thanks for watching.